Alrighty guys, what is going up? Welcome back to another episode. In today's video, we're going to be talking about how to properly swing trade in the stock market. So I hope you guys enjoy it, and overall I hope you guys get something of value out of this video. And if you guys do, make sure you guys smash that like button and subscribe, because guys, it really helps me out. Also, we do have a course and you guys can learn how to properly invest in the market. We talk about how to find undervalued stock, we talk about taxes, dividends, we talk about fundamental and technical analysis, and a lot of other things. I'll put a link to that down below so you guys can at least check it out. So now, roll the intro, let's go. So now, what is swing trading? Swing trading is when you hold a position for more than a day, but less than 1 year. The reason why you hold it more than a day is because if you buy and sell within the same day, it's considered a day trade. And if you hold it for more than a year, it's considered a long-term investment for tax purposes, and in my opinion, it's a different strategy. My average holding time is right around 2 weeks, sometimes even a little bit longer or shorter, but my average is right around 2 weeks. Now there's a couple things that every swing trader should understand and know. The very first thing is practice, 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 practice. The reason why that's so important is because the more you learn, the more you will earn. Understand that. Practice, use a paper trading account. You guys will not regret it. The reason why is because you guys can practice different strategies, different setups, and overall learn how to invest. And then by the time you understand that, you can use your own money and grow your account. Now the second thing you must know is you do not need hundreds or thousands of dollars to swing trade. The only thing that's separating you from making $100 a day to $500 a day and so on is your share size. So as your account grows, so will your profit, but also your loss. Make sure you guys understand that. Now the third and probably most important thing every investor or trader must understand is don't listen to others. And I know that's hard coming from somebody off YouTube, but the thing is, guys, is people are going to be telling you not to do it, don't do it, buy this stock, buy that. Do your own research. That's what I'm trying to get out of that, is do your own research and just understand all your investments, all your trading. Don't just hop into anything just because someone else told you to. So now that we kind of have a good understanding of swing trading, now let's actually talk about how to find stocks. That's a super important thing because you could have the best strategy, but if you choose the wrong stock, you will not be profitable over time. So let's check it out. Alrighty guys, so we are on finvest.com here. Now finvest.com is an active stock scanner that really allows you to find stocks that meet your criteria or your trading style. It's completely free. The only thing it does have is ads, and then they do have a premium version. But let's break this down on how I find stocks. So looking at it, you guys can see it has the Dow Jones, NASDAQ, and the S&P 500. It has all the major indexes. So we can look at it. Okay, we had a upward day in the market. Down in here, it's broken up by sector. So tech was probably the largest, upward pressure in the market, which is good, followed by financial here. Now, as we continue to scroll down, don't really pay attention to this. This is more for day traders because we have the top gainers, new highs, new lows, most volatile, most active, unusual volume. We want this. We want stocks that are on some support that have probably seen some sell-off over the past week, get bought up at that certain price zone. So yeah, we do care about this. And then the trend line resistance is just the opposite. This is when they get selling pressure. So that's very important here. So now what I like to do is go to screener here. Now this is going to put all of the criteria you want all to find your stocks here. So I like to go to all. So this puts the descriptive, fundamental, and technical all in one place so you don't have to actively, choose it. Just put all so you don't have to move around too much. Now, I like to make my price under, about 30 or 40 bucks. We'll go under 40 for now. We can always change it. Now, down in here, I like the average volume to be over 500,000. I want a stock that's actively getting bought up here. So let me move myself down a little bit so you guys can see some of the stocks. So now we have, stocks that are getting bought up, but we still have 2,100 stocks out there. But we want upward pressure, correct? So we want to click pattern. We want to go to that trend line support, similar to what we had at the home page, but now this is going to put it in list form, all those stocks all in one place, right? So now what I like to do is I like to go to relative volume and go over 0.75 or 0.5. Whatever you want, it's up to you. This is pretty much the overall demand for the stock, correct? So what I like to do now that we have a good understanding here is I like to go to charts, and now we only have 32 stocks. So I like to go and I like to just actively look at these charts, find stocks that have seen some sell-off and probably have some upward buying pressure. Probably has a nice upward trend, like ANGL looks very interesting here. So now what I like to do is I like to go to my main account, ANGL, and see this. Okay, so this is getting bought up. If I hopped into this right now at around 32, I could set my stops below 30 and have this possibly go back up to 32.62. That probably isn't a good risk and reward ratio there. So I just go back and I just actively continue to do this. That is the most important part, because you don't have to invest. You want to make sure whatever you're investing in, or swing trading, is the best setup out there. You don't want to just buy in on any random stock. You want stocks that look pretty promising. So something like this, hit that support at 14, could possibly go up to 16. You're risking 1-to-1. You're risking $1 to possibly make $1. That's pretty decent here. So I just continue to go back to the other pages. And now if you can't find anything, no big deal. Check tomorrow, or you can go and just change and mess around with some of these scanning features, and change this to over 1 and find stocks that are actively getting bought up. So something, I'm trying to find one for you guys, but yeah, it's just being consistent. Don't skip out on days. Just actively search the market, because you want stocks, like I said, that are going to be getting bought up very, very shortly here. So now that we have a good understanding of how to find stocks, let's talk about a stock that I was swing trading here. I was swing trading ticker symbol SQ. So this one here sold off, found some support at around $200. You guys can see every single time it's hit $200, we've seen buying pressure. So you see that little dip, buying pressure, buying pressure, buying pressure, buying pressure. So now I hopped in right in here at 200 because I understood that this was a very strong support, setting my price target at around $252, set my risk at around $295. So I risked $5 right now to possibly have this go up to $250. So risking $5 to possibly make $50. So this is a perfect basic breakdown. The biggest thing with swing trading is people always overcomplicate it. It is not that hard. You guys can kill it with just basic support, basic resistance. Basic support, you guys can see stocks getting bought up at that support line. Resistance, it's getting sold off at around anywhere from 247 to 250. Every time it hit that, we've seen sell off, sell off, sell off, sell off. So that's the resistance. So that is it though. I hope you guys enjoyed the episode, and if you guys got something of value, smash that like button and subscribe. Don't forget to check out my course, and we'll see you later. Remember to stay happy, guys, stay positive, and stay safe out there. Take care.